What's up? What's up? It's your man, Jimmy Chan. All right, so here I have to bring back those exponent rules. So I am multiplying and dividing terms that have the same base but different powers. So I'm going to go ahead and only deal with the top for now. I'm going to leave the bottom as is. So what is the top telling me to do? Well, the top is telling me, since I'm multiplying two things with the same base, with different powers, I'm going to add the powers. Well, in order for me to add those two powers, what do I need? Right, I need the sisters, so I need common denominators. So the 5 is going to miss a 3. And since I got to multiply the bottom by 3, I'm going to multiply the top by 3. And the 3 is missing a 5. Same thing, since I multiplied the bottom by 5, I got to multiply the top by 5. So now I'm going to check my denominator. That's 15. That is 15. Hooray, I'm good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. Same thing, I'm just going to bring this over because I'm just dealing with just the top only right now. All right, so what do I have on the top? I'm going to have x raised to the 20 over 15 plus an 18 over 15, right? So now what I have is x to the, what would that give me, a 38 over 15 over this. All right, so if that's the case, now what do I have? Well, I have division. Well, what do I do with division? Well, division, I have to subtract, right? All right, great. So now what I have is that this how do I want to do that? Okay. That's still not giving it to me. Yay! All right, so now what I have here, or maybe what I should do is actually put a circle around it. Let's make sure I can do that. Yep, that's perfect. In fact, I can, no, we'll just leave it that way. So what I have here is that I'm going to have the same base, but I'm subtracting. So I have 38 over 15 minus a negative 1/2, right? So same thing. Now, what do I really have though, right? Don't I really have x to the okay, I don't like that line anymore. Actually, let's adjust it. Let's adjust it. There we go. It kind of looks like it's supposed to be there. It's going to be a 38 over 15 plus 1/2. Okay. So what do I need to do to add or subtract fractions? I'm going to need a common denominator. So this is going to require a 15. And this is going to require a 2. So what I'm going to have here is that this is going to equal to x raised to the, oh, let me check the denominator. That's 30. Woohoo. That's 30. Woohoo. All right, so I have x raised to the, what's the power I got there? I got 2 times 38 was 76 over 30 plus a 15 over 30. So that's going to give me x raised to the 91 over 30. So the question you might be asking yourself is, hey, do I need to put that in radical form? And the biggest part is that you got to remember, what were you given? You were given in rational exponents, so you're going to give it back in rational exponents. And that is choice B. And there we go. Oopsies. I guess it wanted to be a square. So it's going to be a square. Well, I hope that helps. Any questions? Let me know. See you.